Today we are going to understand how to use set square for making parallel lines. So you must have seen there are two set squares in your compass box. This set square, this angle is 90 degree, and since these two sides are equal, so the angles are 45 45. So this set square is 90 45 45. Whereas this set square, you can see this angle is 90 and there are two other angles. The bigger angle among the two, this one is 60 and this one is 30. So this is 30 60 90 set square. So using these set square or even a scale, you can make parallel lines. So we will be using the properties of set square. For example, I take a scale and suppose this is a line. Okay, so what we are going to do, this scale we are going to fix over here, and this set square now makes an angle of 90 degree. If I draw a line, that will be the perpendicular line to the scale. So what you can do is, keeping your scale fixed, if you just draw one line with this set square and don't move your scale, just move your set square. So anywhere when you slide the set square, that another line also will be perpendicular to your scale. Thus the two lines are parallel to each other, because each one, this angle also is 90, this angle also is 90. You can even use the another edge of the set square. For example, again I am keeping my scale same and I will draw a line using this edge of the set square. Now again keep your scale fixed, just slide your set square and draw another line. So these two lines are parallel. Even you can keep on drawing, all lines are parallel to each other. Why? Because these all angles are 60 60 60 with the scale. You can see that. So by using scale and set square, you can make parallel lines. Some students, even they don't use scale, instead of scale they use another set square. Yes, you can do that, but the only problem is this side you have a limitation that over here you don't have, whereas if you use a bigger scale you can slide it throughout. See how to draw a line parallel to the given line which is passing through the given point. Suppose this line was given to me. This is the given line to me, and over here I have a point P. So what is my task? My task is to draw a line parallel to the given line and it should pass through P. So what you should do? You should first fix your set square. You can use any edge of the set square. Suppose I am using this edge. So fix your set square to the given line. Okay, you are using this edge, you have fixed it. Now what you have to do is, you have to keep your scale. So you have to fix your scale. I have fixed my scale now. So at this point, the angle between the given line and my scale is 60 degree, and over here it is 90 degree. So wherever you will move your set square, you are moving your set square now, keeping your scale fixed. These two angles are not changing. Always this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 60 degree. So now you can draw a parallel line. For example, this was my line. Keeping the measurement same, I am just sliding my set square and I have reached my given point P. Just draw the line through P. So this angle and this angle is same. That means these two lines are parallel. So we have learned how to draw a parallel line through a given point with the help of set square and scale. Thank you.